And good day. Today we're having a look at these. They're Weeylite S03 portable fill lights. I've got two of them. This is a glazed blue. The other one is a bright yellow. There's not a lot to see on the boxes. I'll just turn them around and you can have a look for yourself. Very little to look at. Now the fun bit is opening them. Which one first, blue or yellow? I'll go blue. It's on the right. I'm right-handed, so that'll do. There goes the first little cut, and we'll see what is inside. Okay, put that one to the side for the moment. There's quite a few little bits and pieces in here. It looks like such a small box. Okay, that's everything that's in there. We have got, it looks like a little instruction manual or leaflet. It's in English on one side and Chinese on the other, so it gives a bit of information on it. I'll take a photo of this and obviously put it on the video so you can have a look at it. We've got a micro USB-C, and we've got a standard USB-A connector, which is handy for charging. And look at that, they've even supplied a mount for your camera. That's rather nice. I wasn't expecting that. Very nice little surprise. So there, look at that, beautiful. Okay, of course the thing you're wanting to look at are these. They come in a multiple arrangement of colours. I've got a blue one and a yellow one. There's a white and there's also I think there's a grey from memory. I'll check it out later and let you know. Now it's got a little film over it at the moment. I'm just having a read on it. It says, please scan and download the Weeylite app to operate the light. So, yep, again, we'll put this on charge. Of course, I'll open the other one as well, which is identical, apart from the colour, and then we'll get back and have a look at them. Now, with these lights, they've got an inbuilt battery, which is rechargeable. It's a 1000 milliamp battery. It's, you know, to charge it, you use a 5-volt input at 2 amps. It takes roughly 3 hours to charge it from flat. You also get 1 hour of continuous use out of either of these lights, and that's at full power, so you've got a lot of filming time, you know, with these. It's pretty impressive, and I like the fact they're using a standard C-type plug, which is great because it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to carry around a proprietary cable that only fits this Weeylite and nothing else, so I do like that. That's excellent. I've taken a series of photos with the Key Lite to give you an idea of how colour can change the image. The first one is just a straight white. The second is green. The third one is violet. The fourth one is blue. And the very last one is red. And I'm sure you can see the difference that a Key Lite can make. Now I'm going to try and run through the video app as fast as I can. I've got the Weeylite S03 aimed at the box, as you can see. So let's get started. Now the first thing you'll notice is 3 horizontal bars. You tap on them, you'll get the version of the app, which is version 2.0.123. You'll also notice that there's A, B, C, D, E, F. Each of these have a little on-off switch under them, which is the little blue thing there. Tap your channel. You've got 19 different channels to set the lights up to, so you can control quite a few, different ones. We've got CCT. At the moment, we're on 3000, 4000, 5200, 5500, 6000 and 7000 Kelvin. You can adjust the Kelvin rate to whatever you want, and again, you can adjust the brightness to whatever you want. HSL, very simple to control. You just move your finger around the actual disc to whatever colour you want it set on. Again, you can adjust the brightness down the bottom, and you can turn it back to white just simply by sliding that slider across. We've got red, green, blue, white and yellow little slider bars. Again, you just select and slide to whatever you particularly want. Now we'll go to the XY coordinates. In this one, again, you can just simply slide your finger around. You'll notice that you've got little slider bars here that move backwards and forwards, and again you can adjust the brightness. Colour chip is an interesting one. Now you'll notice we've got colours changing at the moment. If I turn up this little button on the top here, absolutely nothing happens. Same when you go over to the Roscoe setting. But if I turn that back on again, we have control. Now we'll go to the FX. We've got CCT, which have got a grand total of 10. RGB has got a grand total of 26 different effects. You can effectively control the speed down the bottom, and this works on all the presets, I should say. So let's go through them. We're starting with flash, burst, flash lamp, blink, weld, SOS, candlelight, flame, CCT loop, TV, firework 1, firework 2, firework 3, police, ambulance, fire truck, RGB loop, romantic, club, club 2, wave red, wave green, wave blue, wave cyan, wave red, and wave yellow. And you can of course alter the speed, as I said earlier, plus you can adjust the temperature, not the temperature, I mean the brightness. Now if you click the little plus button on the top, you can actually save a scene in here. We'll just call that 1, 2, whatever number I'll hit. Click save. We'll come back to that later. You'll see why. Now we've got, probably my favorite is this color picker. I really like this. Now I'm just going to click on while using the app. I've got a couple of little color swatches behind here. So what you do, you just simply aim the camera. Let's go back to that again. Get the camera set up. We're aiming at the yellow, and you can see by clicking on the pick up button, she goes to yellow. We'll pick on the red, and we'll pick on the blue, and see if we can pick on the white there. So it works, really well. That means that if you're, say, in a setting where you need to get a bit of bounced light up, say a wall, it could be a brick wall for argument's sake, and it's got a reddish tinge on the wall. If you put a white light on the face, it doesn't quite look right. So if you set the color to the wall and then put the little light down in a lower, out of sight sort of position, it'll reflect a nice little red tone on the skin. So it works really well. Now we're going to go to that other little thing here, which is my scene. And there's the scene that I actually saved earlier. So that's how this thing works. Now, as you can see, it's getting a bit on the dark side out here. So if you're trying to do a bit of vlogging in this sort of light, you're basically wasting your time. So let's turn on the little Weeylite, and all of a sudden, there I am. So it looks okay. You can actually do a bit of vlogging, talking. You can also use the light indoors. Now here's an effect. I'm going to try and illuminate the Apple logo and make it green. I'm pretty happy the way the green Apple logo came out. Now my overall thoughts on the Weeylite S03 Pocket Key Lite. It's not bad. It's versatile, it's small, it's lightweight, and it slips into your pocket very easily. And you can get some quite nice effects with it. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please consider it. I wouldn't say no to that. You can give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, doesn't really matter. And if you'd like to leave a comment, I'd like that as well. Anyway, all the very best. Hopefully I can catch you on the very next video. Take care. Till then, bye.